Come on, ladies. Let's go. Tomorrow's a new day. You're gonna wake up, have a brand new coop. Hi, and welcome back to the farm. We sure appreciate you being here. On today's vlog, I thought I'd bring you along as we do an evening flock move of our mixed breed flock. I'm going to move them over to the garden where we grew our sunflowers and onions and beets and let them work that tilling and fertilizing for a couple weeks before we cover it up for the winter. While these mixed breed beauties are doing a little dust bathing, we are going to go ahead and get started preparing for the move.
Watch out there, little one. Didn't think that all the way through. Maybe 2 trips. Maybe not. This bucket leaks at the bottom, so we need to keep it up off the ground. That's the reason for the pallet. The other garbage can doesn't do that. Eggs, get up in there. Don't be circling again. Come on, Red. Get going.
Come on, Chicken Whisperer.
Get up there, Red. Come on. Hi, honey. Come on. What are you doing? You know she won't go in? Why are you doing that? Come on, let's go. Get in there. What'd I say? Come on, get in there. Let's go. Red? Come on. Reggie? Well, you know better to come back out. There you go. I don't even remember your name. You're next, though.
It's Mal.
Get in there, Mal.
Oh no, I'm sorry. That's midnight.
I was going to say, I didn't think that
That's
was
midnight. Sorry, it's midnight. Sorry, it's getting dark. My eyes, they deceive me. Come on, Coyote. Let's get in there.
You're last. Everybody else is in now.
Let's go. Come on.
Get in there. Come on. Red's waiting for you. There you go. Back in now. Now I know who you are. Let's go. Come on. Thank you.
Where don't you?
Yeah. You pick it, I stick it.
Yeah, unless you want to move it, maybe the end be this second row, you know what I mean, and it go over that row there.
It's gonna cover.
Because the coop's going right here, ain't it?
Yeah, well, yeah.
Okay. And then that can go over to make the sunflowers the end of it, no? And go over that row, or have, yeah. Yeah, I like that. Yeah, but put it down further the other way.
We'll move it.
I like it down more further towards the daisies though.
Set it up.
If you don't care.
it. I'll set it up. We'll move it. Get where you want it.
See if we can't get a beautiful sunset while we're working. What? What? Ah, we missed one, yeah? Now they'll have shade. You still need to gonna stake that one down in the middle back there though, yeah? Mm-hmm. That one down there in the middle back there, yeah? Do you want me to help you hold that?
Got my ocean approved shoes for that.
Please just watch your hand.
Should be good.
No, you gotta do that back one so that it pulls it down, because remember, if not, it's gonna whoop it. Yep. No, not this end. Nope. Over there. I want that one.
Right here, so
I don't want it there.
Over here?
Yeah.
Yeah, sure. That's what I was going with too.
Trust me, I live here all day. You only live here when you're not working,
This is what I was
which
thinking
is not a
right
lot.
here. No, probably over here.
You workaholic. Yes, please. Yes. Beautiful. Now you're throwing down with
Gotta
them.
keep you used to the style.
And then pull it down so it don't. Did you say you gotta keep me in the style I'm used to? Yeah, you the man. Mama's back there pushing. She don't want to be on video today. But God love her, she come out here when she was wanting to hibernate on her day off to push the coop with Sean. Taking a breather. Get your heart rate down. That's how many birds, babe?
16.
16 birds.
And a heavy ass coop.
And a heavy coop that should not be mobile.
But it's mobile.
For you and Mama.
But it's mobile.
I love it.
Is that good?
I love it.
Good?
Love it. You're gonna leave the tires till morning? Or are you gonna take them off tonight?
No, tires are in the morning, fences now.
Crazy over here. Yeah. Big old holes. Beautiful dirt though is also why that compost bin being there like that. It is literally dusk, no sun. I have the flash on the camera. There's Mama getting the jerseys closed up and getting the eggs. And she's gonna come over and help Sean by holding some of this fence. Okay, they're set up for this evening. They look like they're doing okay. There's the house. They got a nice area now. Nice shade tree. Good night, girls. See you in the morning. Good morning, girls. Good morning, girls.
I know I'm not usually here to bother you. I want eggs. There you are. Oh, I almost got her all. Oh, anybody else? Widow, where you at?
Speckles will need her back done too.
I tried to catch her, I couldn't. Trying to get Widow to come out.
They're like, what's this? This ain't where we normally live.
Oh, I'm new to you guys. Come on, check it out. Yeah.
So they went to bed and they woke up to their new coop that you saw just a second ago we set up in the dark. So it doesn't look too bad for being in the dark. Sean's gonna have to today come up and pull the corners, taunt to get rid of the sags, which that's fine. Other than that, we got it all there to power. And
all right, guys, that's it. Roadrunner, you're good.
what's up, Roadrunner?
Roadrunner, you're good.
Right. They love their new shade hut. They're already used to that because they had one in their other coop area.